To all my beautiful sugar babies, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. Glad to have you. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Today we'll be doing another quick review, quick and easy install with some hair that Wondergirlhair sent to us. So thank you so much. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. We're going to get right into it, you guys. Let's go.
It's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. It is this one thing you saw made me feel it. It's this one thing you did. I can't help it.
Hey you guys, so this is the hair that Wondergirlhair sent over. It's very nicely packaged. It comes in a big Ziploc. And the hair itself comes in this storage pouch, which is super nice. And inside we have, you get some lashes, you get a little thank you note, and the hair itself, and inside you can see you get a wig cap, which is very useful. Let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. So you get the cap. It's 2 caps in here. I actually really love these because you can really make it your color. I know they make round caps, but I just feel like it's so much better to put your own foundation on it. And then they give you an elastic band that you can sew on yourself if need be. And let's get to the hair. So it comes in a net. This is 22 inches in a natural black. Oh, it feels good, you guys. Okay, I'm excited. So this is a T-part wig, meaning that it only has a part and the lace around the perimeter. So let's get into it. You see the lace. You get about a ½ inch of hair on the lace, and then you get a 4-inch part. You get your 2 combs in the top, 1 in the back, and the adjustable straps. And let's take a look at the hairline. So it's pretty dense. We're going to bleach the knots on this one for sure because they're kind of dark. It does come with baby hairs already in it. You can trim those to your liking. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and bleach the knots off camera, give her a good wash and condition, and then I'm going to be right back. Okay, babes, this is the final result. This hair is fire, y'all, to be honest. And it's hanging on me like a 24, maybe even like 26 inches. Y'all see what I mean? Like, and this is supposed to be 22 inches of hair, y'all. So, and I know y'all saw that like thick hairline. That's one of the downsides to this wig. I did have to tweeze my little heart out. This is the ball, and you know what? It's okay for the price and everything like that, but don't think you're gonna buy this wig and throw her on like that. You're gonna have to work with it to get it, you know, decent. But it's really quick, it's easy. I have one more thing to say. Okay, so it's a little tight. The wig is a little tight. Maybe it's because I need to re-braid my hair. My braids are getting old, so that could have something to do with it. They said this is a standard size cap, so I'm gonna go ahead and blame that on me. But the hair feels really good. This is raw hair, so I will have to dye it. I will be doing a video soon on that if you guys want to see that, and like showing you the products that I put in my straight hair, because there is like gray hairs and things like that. When it's raw, I mean, what do you expect? Okay, you guys, so it's looking good, it's feeling good. If you're feeling this, go over to Amazon on Wondergirlhair and cop you one. And that is it, you guys. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon in the next one, and as always, stay sweet.